we have to do okay? Shall I do that?
Yeah.
What we got in?
Thank you, Mark. I'm waiting till approximately 1400 until I officially open the meeting. Right, good afternoon and welcome everybody to this virtual meeting of the Voluntary Early Retirement Redundancy Panel on Wednesday, the 9th of April. The first item on the agenda, are there any declarations of interest? I can't see any raised hands, so I'm assuming then no. Second, agenda item number 2, to receive the minutes of the previous meeting held on the 19th of March 2025. Could I have a mover and a seconder of those minutes?
I believe I was here, so I'll first it. Agree.
Wasn't there, was it?
Councillor Crimmins can second them, although she wasn't at the meeting. She can second them subject to any questions. Is everybody happy with that, just to formalise things? Can you formally second them?
Yeah, happy to second, Chair.
Okay, and agenda item number 3 is to consider passing the undermentioned resolution. It's not my intention to read through the resolution, but if someone can move and second that resolution, I'd appreciate that.
Happy to move the resolution, Chair.
Happy to second.